In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a theme to Google Chrome. Customizing your Chrome browser with a theme can really make your browsing experience more personal and enjoyable. You can choose from an array of visually stunning themes or even upload your own image, making your browser reflect your unique style. Let's walk through the simple steps to do this. First, ensure you have Google Chrome open on your computer. If it's not open yet, go ahead and launch the browser. Once you have it up and running, the next step is to open a new tab. This is a crucial part of the process because it's from this new tab that we'll access the customization options. If you're not sure how to open a new tab, simply click on the small plus icon right next to your current tab at the top of the browser window. With your new tab open, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the page. Here, you will see a button labeled Customize Chrome, which is represented by a pencil icon. Go ahead and click on that pencil icon. This action will open up a side panel on your screen, giving you a variety of customization options to choose from. In the side panel, you will see an option that says Change Theme. Click on this to move on to the next step. Now, you will be presented with a gallery of available themes. You can take your time browsing through these themes until you find one that suits your taste. Each theme will give your browser a unique look and feel, and there's something in there for everyone. If the pre-made themes don't quite meet your needs, or if you have a favorite image you'd like to use, there's an option for that too. Click on Upload from Device to use your own image as a theme. This allows you to have a completely personalized browsing experience. You can select any image saved on your computer and apply it as your Chrome theme. Once you've found a theme you like or uploaded an image, simply select it. The beauty of Chrome is that changes are applied instantly, so you'll see your new browser theme right away. There's no need to restart or refresh anything. Once you're satisfied with your new theme, you can close the customization panel. The changes you made are now active, and your browsing experience will have a brand new look. Enjoy your personalized Google Chrome theme, and remember that you can always change it again by following these simple steps. Thank you for tuning in, and happy customizing.